Hi everyone, I am Mirza Larif and today we will be talking about cosmic acceleration. Interesting topic. Examine any patch of the night sky, maybe even small as a head of a pin, and what you will see will leave you aghast. This small point contains thousands of galaxies. Yes, you heard right. This reveals that universe is extremely large. In fact, it is larger than what we humans can imagine. Let's go into flashback. In early 20th century, Edwin Hubble, an American astronomer, actually concluded the fact that the universe was beyond our imagination. Today, the Hubble telescope reveals an estimate of 100 billion galaxies in the universe or so. But this number is likely to touch 200 billion or more in the near future. But what made him conclude the fact? Before the year 1919, the prevailing view of the cosmos was only the Milky Way galaxy. In 1922, Hubble discovered that the Andromeda Nebulae was too far to be the part of our galaxy. It was because Hubble noticed that the Milky Way had a diameter of about 100,000 light years and Andromeda was at a distance of 2.5 million light years away. Later on, it was discovered that Andromeda was not a nebulae but a galaxy itself. In 1929, Hubble proposed his law, which is known as Hubble's law, which states, objects observed in deep space are found to have a redshift, interpretable as their relative velocity is away from Earth. And this redshift measure velocity of various galaxies receding from the Earth is approximately proportional to their distance from the Earth or galaxies up to few hundred megaparsecs away. The phenomena he used to find out these laws was the redshift phenomenon. So what is redshift phenomenon? Let's find out. In physics, a redshift happens when light or other EMR radiation from an object is increased in wavelength or shifted to red spectrum. In general, this increase in wavelength means redder. Basically, this law means that any 2 points in the universe were moving far apart from each other at any given point of time. This is like these 2 points on a balloon. Like these 2 points on the balloon are very near to each other. But when the balloon is inflated, then the dots get separated out and the distance between them increases. The same happens with the universe and galaxies move far apart from each other. That is, velocity of galaxy is equal to hd, where h is the Hubble's parameter. This reflects the fact that it is not the galaxies that are moving away from each other, but in fact it is our universe that is expanding continuously. Hubble was right. If the universe was not expanding, it would have squeezed or collapsed due to the presence of attractive forces in the universe, which are mostly gravity and dark matter. After 1929, it was obvious that the universe was expanding, but was the expansion happening at a constant rate, or was our universe accelerating, or perhaps was it decelerating? In 1999, a group of scientists tried to find out velocity of a distant supernovae and found that Hubble's constant was smaller in past than it is today. This made it clear that the expansion of the universe was accelerating. The trio of scientists compared the original redshift with assumed redshift. The universe deaccelerating parameter was found to be negative, which means the expansion of our universe is accelerating. So the question, why is our universe expanding? Let's find out. The composition of universe is a bit complicated. It includes 68.3% dark energy, 26.8% dark matter, and only 4.9% atom, and the rest is particle like neutrinos and photons. Now the obvious question, what is dark energy? In physical cosmology and astronomy, dark energy is an unknown form of energy which is hypothesized to permeate all of space, and this is in fact the reason for the accelerating expansion of the universe. Some, however, consider dark energy a property of space. Albert Einstein was the first to understand that space was not simply empty. In his theory of general relativity, Einstein included a cosmological constant to account for the stationary universe. After Hubble announced the expanding universe, Einstein called his constant his biggest mistake ever. But Einstein's blunder might be the best fit for dark energy, presuming that empty space can have its own energy. The constant indicates that as more space emerges, more energy would be added to the universe, increasing its expansion. There is a growing consensus amongst cosmologists that the universe is flat and will continue to expand forever. But who knows really what will happen? Thank you and have a nice day.